Okay guys, so we are ready to try this baby out. Sold out in every store. I walked into Walmart, said 6 left, there was nothing in the shelves. I asked them, they said, well, it could be in the truck, well this, well that, and we won't know when to tell you it's going to be stocked up. So pretty much you'd have to go to the store every day and check to see if this is in, or if somebody came at really early in the morning and took like 3. So I didn't want to deal with that. I went to Target, same story. But the guy was nice enough and said, oh, they'll be back on the 15th. This one I got on Target.com. They were in stock and it was free 2-day shipping. I got it a day early, so it literally came overnight. Like, it was crazy. 1-day shipping, pretty much. They had a deal where it was 10% off too. So, oh, and the shipping was free. So if you guys are looking for this in the stores and are trying to get it, I think online is your best option right now. Everybody is going crazy and buying them off the shelves. So let's try this out. So first I start by detangling my hair. It just will go smoother through the hairbrush blower. And because it already has like 2 kinds of combs in it, bristles, you kind of want to play it safe and brush out your hair. So once you got that straightened out, ready to go, I'm gonna try this Grow Long leave-in conditioner by Marc Anthony. First I'm gonna put it's a leave-in conditioner, I'll do that first, and then I'm going to follow it by the Abracadabra Invisible Styling Gel. So this protects my hair from the heat and also nourishes it while it's smooth as frizz, and it's been great so far. So I'll do a combination of the both. Okay, so once the product is all in there, I've already applied both to my hair, and I go back and smooth it just in case it got tangled in the process. Alright, let me section my hair out. Forgot to get some hair clips, so we're gonna try to do this with the hair tie. Let me just start with the bottom section. I don't have much hair there, so we'll do that first and see how that goes. Alright, brush one more time. Alright, let's get this baby kicking. God, look, this literally, hold on, I got some that I wasn't using. Okay, you guys, look at that. Literally, it's like, oh, it's literally 99%. I think I left like 1 strand in there that's still wet, maybe. It's like, that was like 2 seconds of drying. And look at the beautiful like curl at the bottom. Look how it's super bouncy. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do a little more and then I'll show you how, like once I'm halfway through, what the difference is. Wow, I am amazed at how quickly I got this to look this good and bouncy. It's completely like dry. I know you can't tell, but it is awesome. I'm already impressed, and it has a little bit of a shine to it too. Okay. Okay, you guys, I just did the other side. In the bottom, I wanted to have a little flip at the ends, so I did this way. I like to do that because I have long layers, and I like to leave the long layers coming this way and the bottom ends coming this way. That looks, it looks like a stair in the back. But oh my goodness, after doing it, you guys, literally 2 minutes, not even a minute and a half to do this little chunk here, and it leaves your hair silky smooth. Like, I cannot believe how silky and smooth that looks. Let me tell you, it heats up real good. Wow. It's just amazing. Look at this, guys. Like, it's got that bounce and curl from the salon at a fraction of the price. Like, you guys, you guys are gonna save so much money. I mean, literally, I've been waiting for something. Like, I thought about, why don't they have a tool that does it better? Here it is. Finally came. Wow. Okay, I'm done with the front half of my hair, and these are, excuse the no makeup, I'm just strictly making videos about the products. So look at this, guys. I mean, look at the bounce. Look at the bounce. Whoa. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at that. Shiny, smooth.